If you want to move data to or from the secure folder on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then first of all, we can go to the secure folder. We want to open it. There we go. Now, if you want to add something to the secure folder, if you want to add data, and then you can use this plus in at the bottom right corner and choose Add Files. And then over here, we should be able to simply choose whatever you want to transfer from your phone to the secure folder. So let's say I'm just going to choose an example file over here, an example image. Then over here, I have the option to copy that data. So I can still keep it on my phone in general, or I can move it so it's going to be redirected and placed inside the secure folder. And there we go, then I should be able to go to Files app, for example, to find my file that I just transferred. Now, besides that, you can also tap on these three lines in the upper left corner, and we have Manage Files, where we have the option to also add data to the secure folder. This is exactly the same thing that I did just now. But also here we have Transfer from the secure folder, so here you can move data from the secure folder and place it outside of the secure folder back onto your phone, for example. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.